Hey guys, this is EYL hanging out to alarms, and this is going to be system test 32. Filming on my new phone that I got recently, so hopefully the audio or sound much clearer, more clearer, and the video as well. So let's get started. So anyway, I just thought this time I did it randomly this time. The whole entire system's just random devices just put on, all that. Yeah, so everything's random, pretty much. So this is the panel here. You can see not much change to it. We got Siemens Power Service Powertronics MSI 10B. We have the fire detector Phoenix. I forget the model number this one is, but it is a smoke and heat detector. You see it flash in there. We still have the same 9217 horn strobe. 498 9217 from Simplex. Still the same. So we have the Edward 278B 1120, an upstater, and we have the Wheelock RS remote strobe, and the Bosch F220 PTHC with the B6C base. We get the System Spectral Classic as strobe only. Note it is a horn strobe, but it is only using the strobe at the moment. Get the Siemens DT11, which might be moved to this location here a little bit, and with an optional ceiling strobe as well. We still have the Firelight BG12. Here is the Notifier MBG10, which, yeah, it's here now. We have the Faraday 6220W horn strobe as well. Ignore this cover because that's what I have right now. So, here the System Tester 2312/24B smoke detector. Even though it's got the cages for the heat sensors, but you don't see them. It doesn't have any heat sensors in them. This is just a smoke only, 4-wire smoke. I think we're gonna do something different today. How about instead of starting on the panel, I think we should start with the Firelight BT12, and I think this is the March time. Oh no, it's not. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let's put it in March time. Well, no, let's do code 3 first. Yeah, there we go, code 3. So there it is. Alright. So now we'll do the Firelight BG12 in 3, 2, 1. No, it's also going off.
Fire! Leave immediately!
You notice the security system is also.
Fire!
You notice also the security system is also going off because we have this module here that transmits to the panel down there, to the Vision link that's inside the panel. So I'm going to disconnect that. So anyway, let me see the pole's reset. I think I did reset it. Let's see if it's locked here. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, it's locked. Okay. So you can see the security system was going off as well because this transmitter is doing it. This transmitter is transmitting the fire signal to the panel down there for the Vision link to report that the fire alarm system has been activated. So we'll go ahead and we're going to reset the security system, and I'm going to disconnect that because I forgot. Okay, be right back. Anyway, you can see that the security system was going off as well because of the sensor. Okay, now we're reset. So, and also I disconnected the so it doesn't keep going off. So, just want to show you that. Anyway, now I guess we'll pull the Cerberus. Okay, now we're silent. You can see that 4-wire audible silence. We'll reset the pulse station here. And I'll do walk tests as well. There's 2 hands to reset. Push it back. There we go. And now it's reset. There's 4-wire silence still. Alright, it always flashes really fast. Anyway, I'll go ahead and reset the panel. Okay, the system's reset. We'll go ahead and test the Phoenix. Actually, no, it's not changing the code yet, but let's see. Here's the fire detector. Alright. And then we'll do the leak detector test with the walk test as well. So. There goes. Silence that. Now we're going to go ahead and, since I don't have the air can spray, I'm going to use the plate. Because why not? It is activated. We'll test the heat part in the walk test. Okay. And let's reset. We'll put it on March time here. We'll activate in our zone as well. So let's set an alarm. So let's do. Actually, let's do the heat detector. This time we're using a lighter. Because why not? Okay, this is not working too well. Okay, that's better. There it goes. Okay, now I have two alarms. You can see that. This one and then the restroom heat detector as well. Which you can see right here. It's flashing red. Took a while with that, but yeah. Took a while with the lighter. But yeah. So we'll go ahead and reset those two. Hopefully doesn't reactivate again, but let's see. Alright. Now we'll do the 278 1120. So we'll do that right now. There we go. So it's about the outsider. There's the RS remote strobe. And then we'll reset the panel. And now we're gonna go, just focus it here. There we go. So now we're gonna go ahead and activate the NBD10. So I'm gonna get the, and then we'll activate the Bosch and the system sensor 2320. Oh, sorry, 2312, 24B. Here we go. So once that, we'll reset the pulsation. So we'll reset it. Four-wire elbow silence. What should do with the smoke? There's the RS. Now reset. And then now next we'll do the, since you know what, no, well, no. Did that before and it's, yeah, it's continuous. So, anyway, so now there it is, the panel, now reset. And now we're gonna do the Bosch. Here we go. There it goes. Silence that. And now we'll go ahead and take all the smoke out. And we'll be testing also the heat part as well with the walk test. Okay. And we'll reset from the panel. Alright, now we'll test the 23 1224B from system sensor. And there it is, now it's silenced. Then we'll go ahead and get all that smoke out of the chamber. All right. Okay. There it is. And now we're going to do a walk test. So we'll reset. This is continuous because otherwise it won't work properly. So now I'm going to put this to walk test. The switch is upside down, but it is what it is. So anyway. Now we're in walk test. See it there, having trouble. And this should detect that. There it is. Check. See, that means it's in trouble. So that same sensor is just basically sending that trouble signal as well. So, and I think I'll show you the notification as well on my old phone. Kind of see it there. Anyway, it's reporting the VisiLink that's in there. So now we're in walk test. So now we're going to test the heat part of the Phoenix. Actually no, because that takes a while. It takes a while to reset. So I guess we won't do it. We'll do it with the Bosch. That was two. You can see that was 2 clicks. That was 2 beeps. That contains zone 2. And for the heck of it, BG12. Did that 3 times. So can't use zone 3. And we'll do the smoke. One second. And now we'll do the smoke. Should be on zone 4. Okay, and I think, you know what? I think I'm just gonna do this. Turn off walk test, reset, and we're gonna put this to continuous. So, and we're gonna test this heat part of the power detector. So, there we go. I'm not doing that again. That is very loud. Wow. I'm definitely not doing that again. So we gotta wait till this thing clicks off because it takes a while to cool down. So you can see now we're all the silence. Zone 1. I'll wait until that resets because it's gonna take a while to reset. I may have to blow it or something. There it goes. Just blow it on it. There. Now we'll reset. And that's it, guys. That is system test 32. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel. Maybe appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year's.